welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Cabinet approves modified MOI policy, grants to Konkani Marathi schools with one English subject for minority English schools with one Konkani or Marathi subject. Chief Minister defends Sudhin Davlekar on pub and bikini remarks, but says won't ban bikinis. National News reports claim Sudhin withdraws his ban bikini remark. Mining lease owner Balchandra Naik appears before SIT to record statement in Rane bribery case. Quizzing may continue till Thursday. Naik firm with his statement. Shanta Durga Devasthan Coverage Committee alleges misappropriation of Devasthan property. 6 gold bricks with ornaments worth crores missing. And Argentina and Belgium overcome stiff resistance from Switzerland and USA. Meet in quarterfinals of FIFA World Cup. Now the news in details. Parrikar Cabinet has approved modified MOI policy with minor modification. Government will give grants to Konkani Marathi schools with one subject and for minority English medium schools with one Konkani or Marathi subject. CM Parrikar informed this to media after cabinet meeting. Meanwhile, government has also formed an excise officials squad to keep a check on consumption of liquor openly during late night and on beaches.
Modified medium of instruction policy has been already adopted by the cabinet. It is same decision. There is no change in that earlier policy, except that because of Supreme Court decision, it has been now split into two areas. One is grant, the other is recognition. Separate केले, पहिले दोन्ही मिक्स एकत्र केले. सुप्रीम कोर्टान जो डिसिजन दिला त्याच्यामुळे आमकां ते फक्त सेपरेट दाखोवचे पडले. पहिले पासून चौथे पर्यंत कोंकणी मराठीन शिकयता ताका ग्रांट मेळटली, subject to condition that one of the subject he has to teach in English to minority schools. तांकां choice आसा medium select करपाक, provided if the medium is English, they have to use bilingual books. These are all kinds of minorities, linguistic minority as well as, and provided they have one subject compulsorily in Konkani Marathi.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has defended his PWD Minister Sudhin Davlekar. He says media has misinterpreted and distorted the comments. Parrikar said reports differ from what Sudhin informed him. CM also clarified that state government won't ban bikinis or pubs. Some of the senior BJP leaders also do not agree with Sudhin's statement on pub and bikinis. However, following all these mess, there are reports that Sudhin has withdrawn his ban bikini remark, but we could not contact him for confirmation.
Every person has the right of his opinion. Government is a different issue. This is government opinion. We see no reason in changing anything because everything is running very smoothly in Goa. Late drinking sometime, drinking and in the public. Tajer thodi restriction are definitely for law and order problem atli. You cannot, for example, drink on the beach. Irrespective of what Sudhin said, I had already instructed excise department to form squads. Ready चालू already आमच्यो झाल्या. Open drinking जे रस्त्यार बसून करतात पळय, की दर्याच्या कडेक बसून मागीर बाटल्यो थंय उडयता पळय, ताजेर बंदी घालू नका अशें तुमचें म्हणणें आहा. Bikinis are there for purpose of swimming, so wherever swimming takes place there will be bikinis, but if you wear them in a temple obviously there will be, so it is also place and where you wear it. Depending on that, I don't think there is any problem in Goa at this moment.
I don't accept what Sudhin said. कित्याक आख्या संवसाराक खंयच संवसारान इन्क्लुडींग अरब कंट्रीज स्विमींग सुटाचेर बॅन ना. इंडियेक देखून ना. म्हाका हांव नको आमचो म्हजो इश्ट धावलीकर बाब केसो स्विमींग सूट फक्त गोंयांतूच बॅन करूंक सोदता. आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड. नो वे इन द वर्ल्ड स्विमींग suits are banned. about this mini short pubs and short dresses of ladies. We are nobody to tell ladies what to dress and what not to dress. There are enough laws in the country. If somebody acts against the society, if you want all that, you start educating the children at home and see if they accept first, instead of telling the public whether they are ready, agree to what the elders say.
ढवळीकर यांच्यानी जो स्टेटमेंट केला हो स्टेटमेंट म्हाका दिसता त्यांचो वैयक्तीक स्टेटमेंट आसा. तो ट्युरिस्ट समाज जर ती बिकिनी घालून एखाद्या देवळान वता किंवा एखाद्या चर्चीन वयता किंवा एखाद्या पब्लीक प्लेस म्हणजे बाजारा सारके हेतून जर भोंवता जाल्यार तेका पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आहा, जे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट योग्य कारवाई करतली. हे म्हाका दिसता असल्या जाग्यार वचप हें खंयसरूच एलावड ना आनी गोंयानूय नासचें ना. पूण तो आपल्या हॉटेलार जर बिकिनी घालून न्हांवपाक लागलो किंवा त्या बिचार घालपाक लागलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता कोणाचेच ऑब्जेक्शन आसूंक शकना.
Union Tourism Minister of State Shripad Naik preferred to keep mum on the controversy.
हांवें ताचो स्टेटमेंट पळोवना या, परंतु हांव तो चेक करता कितें आहा तो नंतर सांगता.
Following all this, there were reports that Sudin has withdrawn his banned bikini remark, saying he did not mean hurting women's sentiments and media has misquoted him. But we couldn't contact Sudin for confirmation of his withdrawal. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Mining lease owner Balchandra Naik on Wednesday appeared before Special Investigation Team of Goa Police in view of allegation made by him against former Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane for taking bribe. While going to SIT office, Balchandra Naik stated that he will be firm on his statement. Till late evening on Wednesday, recording of Balchandra Naik's statement was going on and it is likely to continue on Thursday. Mining lease owner Balchandra Naik has charged Pratap Singh Rane of demanding bribe of 10 crore rupees in order to get environment clearances for his mine during his tenure as Chief Minister. Police can register FIR against Pratap Singh Rane if Balchandra Naik sticks to his statement made before media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.